For today's masterclass, my friend, prepare piece of paper, A4 format. I have yellow background. Also prepare clean water, tissue paper, brushes. I have flat brush and I have some brushes that are pointy. Have them also. Yellow, red, light yellow, and green. Palette. And I have my spatula to put the colors on the palette as well. So my friend, let's do this. We're going to paint the pumpkin. Easy masterclass today. We won't be doing any kind of sketches. We will paint straight away with our paint. If you have orange, use your orange. I will mix my orange again. So I'm taking my red, cleaning my spatula, and yellow. Also, I will use brown today, and that's it. So let's mix orange with the brush. Let's take red over here and yellow over here. Pumpkins, my friend, they can be different shapes. So if, for example, your shape will be different than mine, that's all right. You know that pumpkins, they can be different shapes, don't you? So mix into orange, and let's do this. Let's paint oval shape. Like so. Now, another line goes over here, like this. Don't cover it, just paint like I'm showing you. The second one comes from a little bit from here, from the top, and goes down and finishes over here. If you want, my friend, you can practice. And now from the other side, the same. Goes here, down, like so, and again from here over here. We can do from the back. So this is my pumpkin. How is your pumpkin, my friend? And now I will take that orange and I will start covering the middle. Later we will mix the darker into the darker shade, and we will underline the pumpkin perfectly. So you can add a little bit more yellow if you want. So let's add a little bit of yellow. We will make slightly lighter like this. Now, my friend, if you see that there's small, that's not very smooth, that's fine. Our pumpkin does not have a smooth texture, a smooth skin. Now, my friend, let's clean the brush. Clean, clean, clean. Let's take red and a little bit of brown, and let's mix it in darker red color. It's like a brownish red, and we're going to underline the edges over here like so. Don't be afraid. Over here as well. On that side. Now, wet the brush, dry it, and let's go with a slightly wet brush. Do the smooth transition, not completely wet, not completely dry, in the middle. And we're going to do this nice transition between the colors, like so. Here I need to be darker as well because it goes up behind the stem, and behind the stem we have the shade. So dry it like so. And my friend, now we're going to paint the stem. So I'm gonna take my medium thin brush. I'm going to take green, and I will mix it with a little bit of yellow, brown, and orange. And we're gonna get this kind of interesting green shade. And over here we're going to paint the stem. It's your stem, it's your pumpkin, so you can choose what kind of stem you want it to be. I'll do this right here a little bit. You want it thin, it can be thin. You want it not thin, it can be not thin. And now I will add a little bit more just green into this mixture. Now I will do these swirls that the pumpkin has. Like that. And on that side as well. I will add a little bit of yellow over here. For the light, and a little bit on the stems. swirls. Clean the brush, take light yellow, and we can add a little bit of yellow over here as well. With slightly wet brush, like that. A little bit of white. We can add some white over here. You can add maybe some leaves if you want, orange leaves, or paint the grass just for the decorations. Let's do some leaves over here, over here some. And I will add a little bit of white over here as well. On the stem. So this is it. This is the end of the masterclass. I hope that you enjoyed painting the pumpkin with me. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I wish you all the best. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.